Hi, this is Arjun from Super Simple Software. I'm the technical expert on Super Simple ERP. Today we're going to see how our solution on real estate will create a positive impact on your business. Suppose we have a building and we want to sell various flats. We go to projects and create a project for that building. Let's name it Serenade Heritage. Now, for each flat we want to sell, we create a unique flat name as a new project. Let's put in the place as Nasik. Now we create a new project after this. We'll name it Serenade Heritage Flat 101. And from the other info tab, we assign Serenade Heritage as the parent of this project. We select it, and there we go. After creating these, analytical account for each project gets created automatically. Let's create one more flat, Serenade Heritage 201. And we assign the parent project again. Search more, Serenade Heritage. There we go. Now the analytical account for each project is gonna get linked automatically. So let's look at analytical accounts. Here we have all the accounts. And this is our project, Flat 101. We have various kinds of products already defined in the products menu, like 1 BHK flat, 2 BHK flat, row house, etc., which we can sell. So to sell a flat, we create an invoice and we link that analytical account to the flat. So we go to accounting, invoice, create a customer invoice, select a customer, fill in the name of the project, search more, 1 BHK flat, and here we link the analytical account. It's gotta expand better. Need some space to expand this. Here we go. So now this analytical account is gonna get linked with this invoice. So when we look at our analytical account back in accounts, we'll see that the cost of that flat, 1 BHK flat, that is 28 lakhs, is gonna get linked. And it did get linked. Similarly, we can create invoices on purchases and the amount will get linked to our analytical account. Let's purchase some kind of service like a plumbing contract, for example. And we go to invoices, we buy the service, and we select an analytical account for it. Here we have analytical distribution. We'll just edit this and put in the tax here, and we'll put in our whole amount as well as tax in here, because this is where analytical account space is mentioned. So we select our analytical account, Serenade Heritage Flat 101, and let's put in an amount. That was the whole amount, 25,000, and we'll put in a description as well, amount with tax, and we hit save. Now we go to analytical accounts and see that Serenade Heritage Flat 101 has got an amount in it in the credit section. So we go to analytical accounts, look below from the credit, and here we have 25,000. If we go within any project, we get to see various states in which the project can go, and we can create tasks for the project. Here we can see one task, and we have task stages for a project like down payment, initial, installment 1, installment 2, final payment, etc. So when we select projects and we go inside a project, here we can create a task, and the task can go inside each of these states like final payment, settlement. We have this, let's unfold this. We have this payment task which is done for the flat 101 project. Let's now look at investors. An investor is a partner who invests some money in our project, and we have to pay him back after a certain time, after the project finishes. We have developed this module for investors. In the investors menu, we get to see all the personal information about an investor, like his date of birth, and job position, phone, mobile, etc. In this investment tab, we get to see all the investments of this investor that he has made in various projects. Each investment record has a principal amount invested, a rate of interest, and a start date. Based on these three variables, clicking monthly interest button calculates the amount to return to the investor automatically, like so. If we go inside any investment record, we have an option of receiving payment and returning payment. We can also click view payments, and a record of all the payments made by that investor for the selected project appears before us. These are the entries in the accounting section. The payment bank slips. So much about investors. Let's look at investments now. The return and receive investment menus look like this, except that in return investment we have a negative value because we are giving money instead of taking it. Let's look at investments. In investments tab, we get to see a list of all the investment projects created. Clicking on an investment displays all the records of all the investors who have invested in that project. When we click on return investment or receive investment, the records get saved automatically into our accounting journals. That's it about real estate. We hope you found this solution appealing. If you have any queries about any kind of functionality, feel free to send us an email from supersimplesoft.com. Thank you for watching.